Hello guys, welcome to our channel That on Tour. So here you are going to get the every information details of a job day to day. If you want to get a day to day information of a job by sitting in a home, you must be do one thing. You have to join our Telegram, WhatsApp and Instagram. In day to day we are going to provide you every information of a job. So let's start guys without any wasting our time. So guys, today's company is CGI. So let us see in detail about that all. So their recruitment is 2022 people and for Java junior programmer. So you must be work as a Java junior program. So let's see in detail. This is all about their company guys. So go through it as CGI. Canadian Multinational Information Technology, its full form. So if you read everything about their company, we get a small idea of that. So let us see what are the requirements for the placement. As we know, company name CGI, then the post name Java Junior Program, you must be work. Then the salary is 5 lakh guys, it is the best salary. Experience, fresher is fine, there is no need of any experience. Batches are for 2022, 21, 20 and 19. So this batch people can be applied for the company. Job location Bangalore, it is a best salary and even the location is also best. So last date they didn't mention guys, as much as fast you must be apply. So I hope it is a best guys company for everything. So as much as fast you have to apply. So let's see eligible criteria. B.Tech graduate, good analytic and communication skills, should be willing to work in night shift, should be willing to work in support project, minimum 6 months of experience in Java. You must be have a experience in Java guys, you must be know. Then you must be have a good communication. Then you have to be ready for work in night shift also. Then you must be have willing to work in support project. So this all the criteria they had been mentioned. Perfect skill, good communication skill, excellent spoken and written English, knowledge on a date like platform and different technology used in a date like to retrieve and process the data. So section process they had been mentioned for a interview. So group discussion, technical interview, HR interview. So these are the three processes are going to take place for this company. If you want to apply, then click here apply. You will be get one empty page, so fill the information on that everything, so you can be apply for that company. If you want to join our Telegram and WhatsApp, you will be getting here link guys, just one click you will be join our Telegram and WhatsApp. Even you in description you are going to get the link. I hope you have been got all the clarities about the today's company. So I told even the which batch people can be applied. So whoever had been interested, you can be apply for it. Thank you guys.